So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NBA regular season over/under win totals futures bet here on the Bet365 application. So once you're into your Bet365 account, go to your home screen, go to the top left, and in between NFL and NHL, press on the NBA logo. And to get to the Futures tab, just slide this top bar all the way to the right until you come across the Futures tab, press on Futures. And to get to the regular season over/under win totals, simply go to where it says to win outright right here, press on that and get this drop down menu. Then if you keep scrolling, there's a whole bunch of different options here. What we want to do is regular season wins. Press on where it says regular season wins. And what you can do now is actually check all of the different teams and their lines right here. So if you wanted to do that, you can press on all of these stuff. So if you wanted to, let's just say for example, go Chicago Bulls maybe under 33.5 or whatever the case may be for whatever wager you're willing to place. Just press on one of them, then go to the bottom left and press on set wager, and then press on place bet in the bottom right. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can place an NBA regular season over/under win totals futures bet here on Bet365. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.